Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you get or how to set up stand on Roblox. Please donate game. So first of all, once you enter in the game, you have to look for any empty stand. Like these are the stands are already claimed. So look for any empty stand. So to see empty stand, just see here. You can see that it was earlier unclaimed, but now it is occupied by this user. So you have to look for any empty stand. So let me go to other stand that is not occupied or not claimed yet. So there are lots of unclaimed stand here. So just need to press. Let me go to this and press or hold E button to claim this stand. And as you can see, there are my all the items has been listed here. So guys, if you don't have any items, if you claim and if you don't see any item here, so you have to create game passes in Roblox. And if you don't know how to create game passes, let me show you. Now first of all, you have to open any browser, and now you have to go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page of a Roblox. Now you have to click on this create button or tab. It will take you to the dashboard, and where you have to click on just scroll down and click on the default experience. Click on it, and now so default experience, basically the default experience that you are going to play by default in the game. So now you just need to click on this associate items. If you don't see associate items here in the list, you have to tap on the menu button, and now you have to click on it, and now click on this passes button. Now click on create pass, and now just enter the name of the game pass here, description, and after that you have to click on this create a pass button to get your own password. Fine, so let's create one of them. So let's write td1, and now enter the description like demo, and you can click on this create pass button. But if you want to change the image, by default image, you can click on this change button to upload your image, and just click on this create pass button to create your own game pass or item that you want to list in the please donate. Now once your item has been created, you just need to click on this item to set it up for the sale. Now click on sale button to enable it for the sale. And if you don't see these options, click on the menu button again if you are on phone, and now click on this toggle button to enable it for the sale. Now enter the cost on price of the game pass in Roblox. So I'm gonna enter as 40 Robux. Make sure the price should be reasonable so anyone can donate, and now click on save changes. Now once you're done with this, let's open. Now go back to the please donate, and let me show you how can you do that. Now once you open the game, guys, since I've already claimed my stand base, that I just so play I already claimed that stand, and that is here. So let me unclaim it to update my list. Unclaimed it, and now you just need to press or hold E button to claim your stand again, and your item must be listed here in the list. So if someone purchased item from your stand, you will get 70% out of it. And also you can set in the message at on the booth or that on the stand. So you just need to click on this pencil icon here, and just enter your message here that you want to. So the title or the label should be catchy, so anyone can must be attracted towards your stand. So like I need 100 Robux for creating a game. Do the needful donation. Fine. So like you can write such messages that anyone can donate for your stand. So as you can see, I have raised 17 Robux using this trick and this kind of scam, you can say. So yeah, hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.